Alright, this is the elevator here at some Plaza that I don't know the name of, but it's located next to Plaza Sienna. We have a Kone Ecodisc. Oh, really like that sound. Wow, it's a beautiful Kone. So we're gonna go up to 4. It's a Kone Ecodisc installed in 2003. Here at 4, one goes out. It's so quiet down in the -2. Here at -2. We'll go for another ride. We're gonna look at the indicator from this side. This thing is super quiet. Here at 4 again. Oh. Get the view out here. We're gonna get a quick view. So there it goes for now. And it's a cloudy day here in San Pedro. And there's your streets right there. And there's the Land Rover dealership. And right, such a beautiful day. And you gotta love that view. And there's all the buildings right there. This place is pretty much American. It just gives you some American vibes. So yeah, there's the parking lot down there. There's just not much to see, so look at that. All right, there's the parking lot. So, all right, we're gonna call it back down. So, and there's the roof access, which is locked. There's your MP right there. So yeah, such a cloudy day, and so yeah, it's gonna take a while to come, so we can be out here for just a little while longer. So yeah, there's many houses right here, and right here are the plazas. There are some shops here. GSL Industrias. I think it's an industry class, so I'm not so sure of it. So here it is. So sorry, I was not aware of the bell, but anyways, we're gonna go down the PV and we're gonna end it there. Let's get a cabbie now. Such a nice Kone elevator. It's beautiful. Hey, and here are the fixtures on both sides. In the indicator, somebody's getting on. Pase.
Los abonamientos. Tienen los expedientes de cada sucursal.
Sí, digo, sale un expediente de cada uno.
Te doy el listado y lo sacamos y luego ya vamos viendo para sacar datos de ahí.
Ok.
Sí.
Gracias. All right. I have to point the camera out because there's 2 guys on it. So, all right. Well, anyways, there it goes, and that's it.